Heavy snow brings chaos to southern Germany as Munich suspends flights. Winter weather also disrupts train traffic and causes Bayern Munich v Union Berlin match to be called off. Heavy snowfall has brought chaos to parts of southern Germany, with air and rail traffic blocked in the Bavarian state capital of Munich. After first suspending flights until noon on Saturday, 1100 GMT, Munich Airport later said it would remain closed until 6 a.m. on Sunday. A spokesperson said 760 flights were affected. More than 40 centimeters, 16 in, of snow fell overnight on Friday and Saturday, according to weather services. Authorities asked residents to stay home for their safety. The winter weather also disrupted train traffic, with the rail operator Deutsche Bahn saying the main Munich station cannot be served. It said travelers should expect delays and cancellations throughout the region, and most buses, trams, and suburban trains were not running in Munich. A football match between Bayern Munich and Union Berlin has been called off.
Der besonders leicht ausgedrückt werden könne und so eine Lawine auslösen kann. Der Lawinenwarndienst befürchtet, dass es vor allem morgen bei besserem Wetter mehr Menschen in die Berge zieht. Auch das heutige Fußball-Bundesliga-Heimspiel des FC Bayern gegen Union Berlin.
Police in Lower Bavaria said they made 350 interventions linked to the weather on Friday night, with 5 people slightly injured in road collisions. Much of Germany has been subject to snow and freezing temperatures for several days. According to weather forecasts, the largest quantities of snow are expected on Saturday in Allgäu in the south of Bavaria, with another 30-40 centimeters forecast to fall. It is expected to progressively ease in the afternoon. Even if it had been possible to get the pitch at the Allianz Arena in a condition that would have allowed the match to go ahead by the afternoon, safety risks and the traffic situation made cancellation unavoidable, the club said in a statement. Snow falling from the roof at the Allianz Arena poses an incalculable risk for spectators. In addition, it is almost impossible to get to the stadium, it added. Underground services, buses and trams also initially stopped running in the Bavarian capital. There were numerous accidents on the roads in southern Bavaria, most of which police said resulted in property damage, Deba said. The German Weather Service expected heavy snowfall to continue in the south, southeast, and parts of the north of the state. Many smaller roads outside of built-up areas were heavily snow-covered or blocked by fallen trees as the removal of traffic obstructions continued. Police in Lower Bavaria, The region northwest of Munich said they responded to 350 incidents related to snow and ice between Friday night and early Saturday, some of which led to minor to moderate injuries. Parts of the neighboring state of Baden-Württemberg also received up to 40 centimeters, 15.7 inches, of snowfall overnight, causing trees to topple and block roads. According to police, a 54-year-old driver died when his vehicle spun and collided with a van on Friday evening in the town of Emmingen-Liptingen. The driver of the van was uninjured. In Austria and Switzerland, the new snowfall led officials to raise the alarm about the danger of avalanches. The provinces of Tyrol and Vorarlberg in western Austria raised their avalanche warnings to the second highest level after the region received up to 50 centimeters, 20 inches, of snow overnight.